The Deep History of Prokaryotic and Eukaryotic Cells. Nick Lane's popular 2015 book, The Vital Question, summarizes key aspects of the peer-reviewed literature in an engaging and accessible way. It is a great resource for further reading on the subject. In addition to the points summarized above, Lane summarizes additional ramifications of the UAHM family of hypotheses, including the fact that UAHM are likely to arise with high probability on other planets throughout our Milky Way galaxy and throughout the universe. He predicts that cells resembling prokaryotes, which rely on proton gradients, are likely to have arisen independently by natural processes, quite frequently on other planets. This point of view, that the origin of life is probable rather than improbable, represents an important departure from the textbook idea of the PBS family of hypotheses, which argue that life first arose as an improbable event, and that the improbability of life is due to the improbability of the generation of a self-replicating set of organic chemicals from scratch in the prebiotic soup. The UAHM family of hypotheses argue that on the basis of fundamental principles, the abundant energy, raw materials, and other key conditions in alkaline hydrothermal mounds are powerful drivers of change. They are expected to generate highly complex organic chemicals and primitive metabolic pathways that dissipate the energy flows. These changes will be entirely consistent with known laws of chemistry, physics, and biochemistry. One other point emphasized by Lane should be included in this chapter. Lane briefly summarizes the now abundant empirical evidence for the common ancestry of two ancient lines of prokaryotic cells, the archaea and the bacteria, Eubacteria. He argues these cell types arose relatively early in the deep history of life in the protected environments of the hydrothermal mounds.